Good news. The My Most Trusted mobile app is here. How exciting. Under settings of the Chrome extension, you will see My Mobile. This is how you're going to get connected. I'm not going to go into details now. Just install the app on the phone and follow the instructions. It's really, really easy. Whatever you do in the Chrome extension will appear in the mobile app, and of course, vice versa. Right, here it is, the mobile app, My Most Trusted. The great thing is you actually don't have to do anything to begin with. You can install the app, and once it's connected to the Chrome extension, you can just simply wait for your notifications to come in. So you can see this individual has just clicked on my article. This other individual has clicked on my article. Somebody's completed a form. It'll notify you in real time if any of your LinkedIn contacts have clicked on a link or actioned any of those particular items. This is hugely important because you can then go to the notifications tab of the app and it'll actually tell you who they are. So I can see the name, the job title, the company, and I can immediately see that this person has clicked on my link or filled out a form, etc., etc. Now, by clicking on the LinkedIn icon, I can go to that person's LinkedIn profile and I can do my research. Is this individual of high enough quality to be put into a tab? So remember the golden rule, never put crap into the app. You only put high scoring, high quality leads into the app. Now, under this little drop down here, you can see this lead is not allocated. This drop down will allow you to move that lead into sales tracking or into hot leads or any tab that you wish. Right from the mobile app. And remember, what you do here will be reflected in the Chrome extension. So they work seamlessly and hand in hand. So at the click of a button, you can check out an individual while they are reading your article, or while they have clicked on your website, or when they are actioning a particular form or task. You know that they are working with your content. So you can reach out to them in real time because you know they are not busy or they're spending it on you. Therefore, it's a great opportunity for you to start looking and reaching out to those people. You allocate them to a particular tab. Here they are. You've got your sales tracking tab and you've got your hot leads right from your mobile app. Here they are. Here are the hot leads. From here, you can then write notes. You can set tags, and you do that from the dollar icon, just like the Chrome extension. And you can then set all of these cute little things right from the app. The same functionality in the mobile app is currently available in the Chrome extension. So what you can do in one, you can do in the other. So you can set your tags, you can write notes, you can do all that cool stuff. And of course, you can do your reminders. Here's a reminder to follow up. Once again, I got to follow up Raja. I can simply click on his LinkedIn profile, send him a LinkedIn message, possibly send him a voice message, maybe reach out to him with a phone call. I can then do my follow-ups. I then can book another follow-up and I can set another reminder from here within the app. So it's essentially a really cool little tool that'll help you prospect on LinkedIn using the My Most Trusted Chrome extension. In the next video, I'm going to talk a lot more about referrals and how you can use trusted connections within LinkedIn to generate referrals. Please go through the videos on mymosttrusted.net because it's going to work the same way as the Chrome extension does, but it's going to be hugely powerful. So look out for my second video when I talk about referrals. Happy prospecting.